Welcome! In this video, I'd like to explain the possibilities LuminAiRe currently offers to the professional user. The app is designed to bring efficiency and success to all professionals in the lighting industry. In this video, I focus on the workflow for any kind of professional reseller, which could be a shop-owning dealer, a retailing installer, or a wholesales representative. You can benefit from using the LuminAiRe app in a couple of ways. As a start, when you downloaded the app, you can see lighting products from many manufacturers and with a wide variety of applications, from indoor to outdoor, floor to ceiling, products for everything all in one place. When you meet your client, whether at your shop or at the site, you carry not along just a catalog, but a variety of virtual samples to show. Augmented reality models act as a very helpful aid to the imagination of a client. And when you get on the idea of your customer's preferences, you are more likely to get a sale closed. Use the app to your advantage in 3 simple steps. We designed the app to boost your sales and improve efficiency in your daily work. Now let's see how we do this. Step 1. Listing your business. The app is on your device? Good. We are ready to start. Most of all, do insert your email address. I will tell you in a few seconds why. We invite you to add your business details and profile information as well. Of course, we respect your privacy and we are compliant with GDPR data protection rules. Please be as accurate as possible with your profile, because that is what the client will see when he is looking at your business profile. And if you are using an iOS device, you can even add images of your business, such as your logo or shopfront images, so that customers can recognize you easily. Step 2. Now let's associate with the manufacturer of your choice. From the start page, go to the manufacturer's page within the app. Get an overview of the different brands available and click on the logo of the brand that you wish to associate with. Automatically, a request is sent by the app to the manufacturer, and it can be approved by him within a short time. Once this has taken place, you will receive an email with a unique code. Now proceed to your profile from the start page. You'll find this on the top left. Go to My Manufacturers and there you will find the plus sign. Please click the plus sign and you'll be asked to insert a code. You received this code with a previous email. You can copy it or insert it manually, and thus you can become permanently associated with the manufacturer as a reseller. Now you're not only recognized as a partner of the selected brand. For some of them, you are also able to use a reskinned app of the associated brand, a wholesaler or association from within your device with a changed appearance and a pre-filtered product range. Step 3. This is now why it can be so valuable to insert your data, find products for your client, and clients will find you. Geolocation will draw end users and non-resellers' attention towards your business. A query made for a product can be forwarded to the manufacturer himself or to his regional representative. This could be you, the associated dealer in a certain region. So while you can find a suitable product for your client by using LuminAiRe, the app even helps in finding more clients for you. When end clients around your area have seen a product on the app and want to buy the product, or at least inquire for prices or related services, these queries can be directed to you as a sales representative of the associated manufacturer. And that is why it is so relevant to insert your data faithfully. Now you have learned a little bit more about the possibilities provided by LuminAiRe. Make use of it. Join in and let us integrate all the brands you want to see included. Have a look at our homepage and get in touch with us if you like. Thank you for watching.